you? Yeah, I'm good. I'm sorry, Kapisa. Hey, I was just preparing to go in a wedding of John and Jenny. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I'm telling you the truth. Okay. We'll be there. Yes. Let's go there. Mommy, you're going to go to nari kuvugana n'abantu b'abanyankore nyine nagira ngo tuduhuze icyongereza none se ntaguze uko kuvuga ibintu bya jo ntago bajya bavuga joke bavuga joko ko nyine na uzibeshaho